Where can you buy a tin whistle? If you find yourself enchanted by the lively sounds of Irish music, you might be wondering where to buy a tin whistle. This charming instrument is a key part of Irish culture and music, and it is widely available in various places across Ireland. First, let's talk about online shopping. A number of retailers offer tin whistles online, making it easy to browse and purchase from anywhere. Websites like the Irish Flute Store, McNeela Music, and Walton's Irish Music provide a wide selection. They carry different keys and materials, perfect for both beginners and seasoned players. Shopping online is convenient, especially if you want to find the right whistle while relaxing in your accommodation. Now, if you prefer a more hands-on experience, visiting local music shops is a fantastic option. In Dublin, for instance, Walton's has been a beloved part of the Irish music scene for over a century. They offer high-quality brass whistles, known for their rich sound. Many local shops also provide instructional materials, which can be a great help if you are just starting to learn how to play. For those seeking something special, specialty stores like Big Whistle Music focus specifically on tin whistles. Here, you can find unique and high-end options that may not be available in standard shops. This is a wonderful way to discover a whistle that truly speaks to you. When purchasing a tin whistle, consider a few practical tips. For beginners, the most common keys are C and D. These keys are versatile and perfect for playing many traditional Irish tunes. Additionally, think about the material. Brass whistles are popular due to their durability and excellent sound quality. Many retailers also include instructional booklets or online resources to help you get started. This support can be invaluable as you begin your musical journey. Whether you choose to shop online or visit a local store, buying a tin whistle in Ireland is a delightful way to connect with the local culture. You will not only take home a beautiful instrument but also a piece of Irish music history. So, get ready to enjoy the enchanting sounds of the tin whistle and immerse yourself in the rich traditions of Irish music.